Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing my chicken kebab recipe with you. I hope you're all well and thanks so much for clicking on today's video. For today's recipe, we're going to need 5 chicken breasts. You can see here I already soaked the skewers in water. Ideally, you need to soak the skewers in water half an hour before you start cooking. Now it's time to prep my vegetables. I will be using 3 big bell peppers, yellow, green, and red one. I will be adding 1 medium size of red onion as well. If you're new here, my name is Kayi and I share quick, easy, and very delicious recipes on this channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Keep checking my content and don't forget as well to share with family and friends. That will definitely help me grow this channel. Cut your vegetables in medium sizes. It's going to be in the oven for roughly 35 to 40 minutes sometimes. So I like my vegetables always crunchy when I'm having my kebab as well. So if they are too small, it's not going to do the job. So that's why I'm always going for medium sizes when I'm making my kebab. I'm done with the bell peppers. It's time now to cut the last ingredient, which is the red onion. Just half it and half it again. All our vegetables are ready now, and I'm going to clean the chicken breast using lemon. You can use lime juice or vinegar to clean your chicken. Make sure you do this 3 to 4 times, and then you can go in with all your seasoning. Because the chicken breast is quite big, I'm going to half it first and then cut it in medium sizes. If you don't want to use chicken breast, feel free to use beef as well for this recipe. You're going to love it. I'm transferring the chicken breast into a bowl and then add my seasoning. So here you can see I have a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning and a tablespoon of black pepper. And here I have a tablespoon of garlic powder and a tablespoon of ginger powder. I'm going in with that as well. And here we have 2 tablespoons of suya powder, which is a little bit also on the spicy side, perfect when you are making kebab. And now I'm adding about a tablespoon of olive oil, and make sure you mix everything very well. I'm going to cover it up and leave it in the fridge for half an hour for it to marinate properly. After half an hour, add the chicken breast and the vegetables on the skewers, which is very easy to do. And whilst you're busy at that, preheat your oven for 5 minutes at 180 degrees. Place your kebab on the tray, pass some oil on top of it, pop it in the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes in the oven, bring it out, flip the other side and spray some oil on top and put it back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. And this is the final result. Our kebab is ready and so inviting. I'm sure you agree with me. This is another easy recipe. Once you prep your vegetables, you don't have too much to do after that. Very quick, easy to entertain your guests or for your family. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe as well if it's your first time, and you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Take care. Bye. Au revoir.